Okay, so we want to take this column right here and this column right here and average them. Put these together so we can see a little more here. So it's E and K are the two that we want to average together and create a new column. I'm going to take L, right click, and insert a column here. And now I can create a column that's average. So I'm going to do this. Actually, I'm going to see if I can. So right now the sheet is set up in this format with filters. Makes some of the calculations a little trickier. So I'm just going to type in cells E2 and K2 there. It's still going to do the average for the whole thing, which is fine. So this is now the average of those two. We can see that, for example, here we had a value of 4, value of 5. The average would be 4.5, whereas here is a 4, and 4 gives us 4. But the problem is now, if I would delete these two columns, this column would get deleted too, because it's really just an average. It's a formula. So I'm going to Control C. I'm going to copy this to the clipboard, and then I'm going to try to paste as, yeah, I figured. Because of the way this table is set up with these, it's not going to let me do this. Let me see. So when I did it, I copied out of this table, so I was just in a normal spreadsheet. Let me think about this for just a second. Okay. I'm not quite sure. You may know how you got these. I'm used to this being kind of a filter view, but for some reason it's not letting me clear the filter. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy all this data. There may be a reason that you set it up like that, and that's fine. I'm just going to Control C, copy all that data, and then go to a new tab here. Okay, clicked on the plus sign for a new tab, and then I'm just Control V to, and now this is in normal format here. So here we still have the average, it's still a function, and if I copy the clipboard, now I'll be able to paste it as values only. So if I click in there, you can see an actual 4, it's not an average anymore. And then I can just delete this column and delete this column. And from this point now, I can go over here and get an average of everything. So I would cross like we did before with the other spreadsheet. I'm going to double click that, or you could also drag it down just to make sure that you're getting all of it. Row 155 there. And then I'm going to get average of S2 to F1, S155, and the SD standard deviation sample S2 to S5, and that's where I get those two numbers.